Hi, I'd like to welcome you to my demonstration of Instant Squeeze Page Generator. My name is Gail Spellioni, and if you don't know what a squeeze page is, I can tell you really quickly that it's a capture page. You've seen them all over the internet. They have ask for your name, sometimes they ask for your phone number, your last name, but usually they just ask for your first name and your email address, and they usually offer you something if you click the Submit Now button or Get in now or access now. Anyways, it's what grabs your customers by the eyeballs and gets them to leave you their information, which is a very powerful thing in internet marketing. There's this website called InstantSqueezePageGenerator.com where you can go as a free member and you can build yourself a squeeze page with a free offer, and you can use that squeeze page to market online and get yourself a list. So I wanted to show you tonight how easy it is to do and how quickly you can build a list, and it doesn't cost you any money. And I have places for you to put the squeeze page, which I'd like to show you in follow-up videos. But what I'm aiming for is to build a squeeze page that I'm going to submit to a JV giveaway as a contributor. So this way, when you do that, you're joining a lot of other internet marketers, usually more successful ones who have large lists, and they're also giving away offers and they're trying to build their lists. And everybody kind of bands together with all these free gifts and tells everyone they know to come, and everyone comes and looks at everything that's offered and they choose what they'd like, and by doing this they are signing up to your list. So it's a great way to get free traffic and very quickly, and also you're giving them something of value, and it's not a bad idea to grab some of those freebies yourself while you're in the JV giveaway. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. This is the home page of Instant Squeeze Page Generator, and I'm already a member. I'm actually a paid member. I don't remember how much the membership is. It's not that much money. I know it's got to be somewhere in the $47 or $27 range. But in any case, I am a paid member, so I will have to point out some of the differences between a paid and a free member, because some of the features are not available to free members. But honestly, I was a free member at the beginning, and you can definitely use this as a free member and get plenty of leverage out of it. Once you build your list, if you feel like joining, it's a great site to join, or go ahead and show it to other people and become an affiliate for it as well. Well, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And of course, every time you log in, they do want to try to sell you something, and sometimes I've actually bought some of these offers. They're great little ebooks and sometimes videos. They do offer a lot of good information, and they are written by successful marketers, so there's nothing really to lose. They're usually very inexpensive. Look, this one's priced at $9.97, so really that's pretty good if you're interested. But I'm going to go ahead and decline this offer and go to the next page. Here we come to the toolbox page, and these are all buttons, as you can see as I run my mouse across them. But today we're focusing on squeeze pages. So I'm going to go ahead and click on squeeze pages, and when you do that, you get this page that lists all of the squeeze pages you've made. Now mine are all tester pages. I've only been playing around for a little while. I only have a couple that are really active, and as of today actually. I'm going to go ahead and click create a squeeze page, and that's how you begin. When you do that, you're going to get the first page of the setup, which is going to show you a whole bunch of free gifts that you're free to use. You will see here you have, let's see, residual income niches, launch siphon pro, multi-level marketing, affiliate toolbox, overcoming common homeschool problems. As you can see, there's a variety. Twitter, camera profits, and you've got 3 pages of these different offers. So what you want to do is choose one that sounds appealing to you, just to get started. I like this hidden traffic. You can also click on the description, and it will give you a description and the picture, which is another thing. We're going to have to go ahead and grab this picture when you go ahead and enter the JV giveaway. But for right now, I guess we're just building the squeeze page. In any case, I'm gonna minimize this description because I'm going to need to refer to it. Well, I hope I find it. Oh, there it is. When I'm building my squeeze page, because it's nice to have the description you can pull words from it. All right. So we go ahead and continue to step 2, because see, I went ahead. Oh no, I didn't. Go ahead and click. Make sure you click use this one, or you won't have one to use. Continue to step 2. Now, this is the difference between a paid member and a free member, but you don't have to concern yourself with this part. But just to let you know, there are affiliate links in all of these products. And of course, if you are a paid member, they will put your affiliate ID on those links. So if you were to give out these books to potential customers and you have people who are signing up to your list, when they go through the book and of course they click on a link and there's anything that they purchase, you will be getting a commission from those purchases because you have your affiliate ID on those links. Now, a free member does not get an affiliate ID on links. So that's really the major difference. There might be a couple of other differences where you get to use a different, you get more templates for the squeeze page, but overall you can get a very nice squeeze page. But I'm going to go ahead and skip this. I'm actually not an affiliate to Hidden Traffic, so I would have to sign up for that completely. Right now I'm going to skip this step and continue as a free member. Okay, now we come to the template page, and here you have 2 recommended choices that they've already built for you. So you can go ahead and choose one of these, or if you would rather build it and reword it and put photos in yourself, you can choose one of these. I actually get very frustrated trying to build them, so I prefer to choose one of the ones already built. Not 100% positive, but I believe as a free member they do not allow you to choose the video option. It's the same squeeze page but with a hidden video for hidden traffic. So I'm going to go ahead, if I click it, it's going to allow me, of course, to do it because I'm a paid member. But I'm going to go ahead and go with the free member choice so you can see exactly what you will get. This is step 4. Now step 4 is the background, which if you look at the screen that we're looking at right now, the blue here is the background. So pretend this was the squeeze page, this is the background. So any of these features here, this is what you would see in the background of your page. I like it's free because I think when people see that, they know instantly that whatever it is that I'm offering is a free item, and that will attract attention, and then they might read it, and from there they decide if they want it. So this way, this is an attention grabber. That's my opinion. Obviously, you're free to choose any one you'd like. You can choose this one if you want just solid blue or solid green, and this is a graph. I actually never tried the other ones, but I like the way it's free looks. And wait till you get to the next one. Oh, I see here, don't use a background. I've actually never tried that option, but that's if you just want a blank background. Go to continue to 5. Now, step 5. Normally, if you chose one of the templates that you had to put in the text, this is where it would ask you for a headline. But since I chose a recommended template, the headline is already set, so I don't have to do step 5. And that's going to be true of step 6 as well, because that would be the sales text on the squeeze page, and that also is already there on the recommended template, which is why I love the recommended template. You don't have to think about it. These are proven converting squeeze pages. People have done it before, they've been around before. We were doing this and they know it works, and why not? Don't fix it if it ain't broke. Use what's working. go to step 7. Okay. Now step 7, this is where you're going to enter your autoresponder. I'm not sure if everybody would know what an autoresponder is, but it is one of the most important tools in internet marketing. If you truly want to succeed in internet marketing, you must have an autoresponder. Now you can get free 30-day free trials with many autoresponders. I know Aweber has one, and I think it's $1 for 30 days, and it might be true of GetResponse. That might be free, but it might also be $1. And you get 30 days to try the autoresponder. I use Aweber, and that's just because that's the 30-day trial that I chose. And let me just warn you that when you choose to do a trial with any autoresponder, what happens when you start gathering names and you start building a list, you can't transfer those names to another autoresponder. So you either have to have more than one account or forfeit those names if you want to change autoresponders, or just plain stay at that autoresponder. So choose wisely. You know, you might want to play on the different websites and see which one you like better. Maybe watch their videos and see if they're easy to understand. I know Aweber and GetResponse are used widely. I know a lot of people who use both of them. I did use both of them at one point, but I stopped using GetResponse because my list got really big on Aweber and I wasn't about to forfeit my list. I know GVO, I use them for hosting. I know they have a responder. I never tried it, so I can't say, but I've heard it's good, so I'm sure that it does the job as well. It's just a matter of how much money you want to spend. I think GetResponse might be $15 a month and Aweber is $19 a month. I don't know what GVO is. They have so many different things they do, and I don't know how they charge for them. And the difference also is, I believe GetResponse is $15 a month up to, I believe, 1,000 subscribers. When you go over that, you pay more money a month. So anyways, let's get back to the squeeze page. And I'm going to go ahead and choose Aweber because that's what I have, and I'm going to have to use them as my example. And here it says button text. So this is going to be that button that we're also familiar with that's underneath the email address that either says submit, sign up free now, or I'm going to change this one to grab, there you go, grab your free gift. Okay, there we go. Now, here they're asking for your Meta Web Form ID. And this is for Aweber exclusively. If you click on, for instance, GetResponse, they only need your campaign name. And when you're familiar with an autoresponder, you'll know what that means. You also have a campaign name with Aweber, but they call it list name. Same thing. I'm sure they all have something very similar. Here, GVO has affiliate name, campaign name. They also have a form ID. But in any case, you will have to enter the information for that particular autoresponder, and they are all different. So make sure that you click on the right autoresponder and you put the right information in. That's very important, or these people will not go to your list. I'm going to go back to Aweber and show you how to get the Meta Web ID ID number, sorry. So I'm going to pause for a second and pull up my Aweber screen. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and here's my Aweber. You want to go ahead and create a new list. Alright. Now I'm going to name my list. Let's see. It was Hidden Traffic was the name of that ebook. So I'm going to go ahead and write Hidden Traffic. Let's see if I can use that. So far it looks good. Sometimes Aweber will tell you that list name is taken and you cannot use it. So looks like Hidden Traffic will be good. I'll go ahead and save my settings. What is wrong? I have my email address in there. Hidden Traffic. Well, here, let me maybe change my email address. I don't know. why it's saying you cannot do this. Probably because it's a taken name and it just hasn't told me that. It's usually pretty hard to get a list name on Aweber. Yeah, I'm going to change the name because that's what I'm thinking it is. I'm just going to say hide traf 101. Let's see, that'll work. List name will help you distinguish this list from others. It can be up to 15 characters long, containing only letters, numbers, and hyphens. Okay. This should be good, right? Okay, here I'm going to put in hidden traffic free offer. That's just for me, so I'll know what this is. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, that was saved successfully. So then, now that I've made my list, I'm going to go here and make a web form. Now, when you create a web form for Instant Squeeze Page Generator, they're really not using the actual graphics from Aweber. They just need to connect to the web form so that they come to your list. In other words, this is an Aweber, one of the simple Aweber forms. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the top, get rid of the bottom. Now, I might want to change the submit button, but it doesn't matter because I already have Grab Your Free Gift on the Instant Squeeze Page Generator website, and that is what will be in this box. So, I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. Save web form, and go to step 2. Now, on Aweber, and it's really not an Aweber lesson, but I kind of have to walk you through it since that's how we're getting our squeeze page. I'm going to go ahead and leave basic version. I might come back later and put a website in that's a thank you page, perhaps with the download link that I'm going to get off of Instant Squeeze Page, and you'll see what I mean when we get to it. But for now, I just want to get my meta web form ID. So I'm going to go ahead and save web form again. Every time you leave the page, you got to save it. Go to step 3. Okay, now here's where the fun begins. It took me a while to figure this out, and I could have contacted support, but I'm just too eager to try myself, and I hate waiting for those emails. Sometimes it takes them 24 hours, and I don't like to wait 24 hours. Anyway, so I did a little exploring, and I found that on Aweber, at least, the meta web form ID is located in the HTML, in the raw HTML version of the squeeze page. So, and I found that out by just kind of looking at all this garbage, which actually you can learn a lot by looking in all this garbage. Ah, there it is. Meta web form ID value equals, and this number right here is my meta web form. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it and copy, and I'm going to go back to Instant Squeeze Page Generator. Here we go. Alrighty, meta web form ID. Go ahead and paste it. And my list name, if you remember, is hide traf 101. I think that was it. Let me go back and just double check. Hide traf 101, right there. Yep, seems to be right. Let's go back. Now we're going to go ahead and continue to step 8. Okay. Here's where you want to put in a page title and a footer. Now I'm going to tell you right away, the footer is, you often see this at the bottom of a page. I think, look right here, you've got a footer right here. You put the year so they know it's current. It's nice if you put your name, people know you're a real person. And if you have a blog or a website, go ahead and put that if you'd like. There you go. It kind of identifies you. And then for the page title, that's where I grab the description again. Where are we? There we are. Okay. And for the title, I put in Hidden Traffic Formula, The Lost World of Traffic Exchanges. That's going to be my title. So, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Hidden Traffic Formula, The Lost World of Traffic Exchanges. Okay, there you go. I wonder if I should capitalize these. Well, we'll leave it like that. Continue to step 9. Alrighty, now here we have it. Here we have our squeeze page URL, and this is the URL where you would give this to your customer to download their gift. So I'm going to go ahead and click this so you can view it. Click here. Oh, it's taking a little while to load, so it's a little strange. But that's my computer, because typically it loads right away. Ah, there we go. And look at that. This is how it should look. And of course you can play around with it. You can go back, and if you want to change the background, because you know, now that I'm seeing it, the blue background doesn't look so great with this, but it works. There you go. And of course, if you are a paid member, you might want to use the video, and you know how powerful video is. Here we are watching a video. We all much prefer to watch a video than to have to read a lot of text. But this is a pretty simple formula, and it's a pretty simple squeeze page, and you want to do something like this and enter it into a JV giveaway, and when they start circulating all of the free gifts, you're going to get people signing up because they're going to want your ebook or your videos or whatever product it is that you are giving away, and that is how you're going to build a great list with no money and very little work on your part, actually. Most of the work is trying to tell your friends to go ahead and come partake in the giveaway because they'd like you to participate. In my next video, I am going to talk more about giveaways. So I'd like to thank you so much for staying with me for the last 20 minutes and watching my first demo of the Instant Squeeze Page Generator. You can get that free membership at instantsqueezepagegenerator.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.